What would you do if you're walking on the street enjoying the nice weather and this big man comes over to you with an angry face and he winds up and he punches you right in the face and knocks you out? You wake up in the hospital a few hours later and the doctor walks in with a big smile and right away you recognize him. He's the same guy who punched you. And he tells you, I'm feeling really nice today and I decided that I'm going to take care of you for free and we're going to send you home as good as new. Would you be like, wow, this man, he's incredible. I can't believe he loves me so much. I highly doubt it. And the question is that if you think about it, what are we celebrating on Pesach? That Hashem took us out of Mitzrayim and he saved us from a terrible slavery. But wait a second, wasn't he the one who put us there in the first place? And the Mefarshim all explain. The Ramchal, the Sameach, the Alter of Kelm, of Aaron Kotler, that, of course, the only reason that we are celebrating is because we believe that the shibud, the slavery itself, was actually incredibly good for us as well. Because really, just like anything that happens to us in life, even if we cannot understand why something's good for us, but we trust that Hashem, who loves us, only does what is the absolute best for us. And so really, the main thing that we are celebrating on Pesach is not that Hashem saved us, but rather how Hashem saved us. Like the Ramban explains at the very end of Parshas Bay, that the reason we always put such an emphasis on doing everything to remind us, Zeicher L'Yetzias Mitzrayim, is because when Hashem did so many open miracles for us, He showed us that He is still very much running the world and in control of every single thing that happens to us, even when there are not open miracles happening. And that is really the main thing that we need to always work to remember. And so this Pesach, make sure to try to remember that we aren't just celebrating what was. We're celebrating what is. That the same Hashem who did all the open miracles back then is still doing the same miracles for us right now. And the only difference is that it's harder for us to see that it's really coming from Hashem. And by the way, if you are able to remember to focus on the fact that Hashem is still doing everything for our best, then no matter how many stressful things can come up over a long Yom Tov, you will be able to always remain perfectly happy and have real, authentic Simchas Yom Tov. Have a wonderful Pesach.